And so to think about how you can, I guess, optimize your referral cycle, it's some questions that you should think about are, well, first of all, what's the benefit of a user, for a user to actually refer that friend? Is there kind of ways you can encourage them to do that a little bit sooner? Are there positive moments in your product or that, you know, when using your business that are actually inherently shareable? And have you actually implemented any referral mechanisms for those points? And also, you know, I can do a whole extra presentation about incentives, but yeah, how can you actually incentivize other users to convert from that invite? So I find it quite interesting, actually, because when I did some research on this a few years ago, I just assumed everything was about, you know, refer and drive more sort of generate more money for the existing user. So, oh yeah, if you do this, you get $5 and then you're going to see more uptake. But some of the examples that I've heard of from other businesses are actually that they see really, really good success when they layer actually social proofing in instead. And so one example was a hotel chain that I worked with, and they had as part of their sort of loyalty program these essentially like VIP passes that they could actually gift and bestow upon their friends and family. And it was framed in such a way that it was almost like they were able to give a better class experience to their friends and family, that then made them feel good because they're saying, oh, you know, let me help you out for your next trip. I can offer you, you know, this free upgrade that you wouldn't be able to get otherwise, which again is super motivational. And then another example is this idea of scarcity. So one meditation app that I worked with, they started to actually experiment with guest passes, which at the time was essentially just a gifted free trial. But because you had a limited quantity of, let's say, 4 to 5, it was seen as, again, something that was really worth sharing with your top friends. And what they saw by kind of highlighting these as limited time guest passes or limited quantity, they saw really strong, not just sharing, but also strong uptake as well.